Hey guys, I'm Scott.
My name's Collin.
We're down here on a local river trying to get the afternoon bite. Wind's blowing a little bit, but we just now had a storm about an hour ago. We're gonna try to do some fly fishing with some topwater flies. So we wanted to do a quick little video on this. We wanted y'all to come out and join us. See if we can get on some different kind of fish. Definitely some smallmouth, hopefully. So come along with us. If you like this video, definitely click subscribe. And Collin?
We're doing a giveaway. It's a magnet fishing kit.
That's right. We still are doing the magnet giveaway. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will choose that person who's going to get that magnet fishing kit. But enough of that. Let's get to doing some good afternoon fishing. We done found this little bitty spot here, just right below this here rapid, and it's a pool of water. We believe it's going to hold a good amount of fish. It's a lot deeper. If Collin was to walk out to the middle, it would probably be up to his chest or a little bit higher, so he's just right here on the side trying to get one. But as you see, kind of funnels down through here and just swirls around in here. There's a good spot over here that he's been casting to, especially right here as well. And he's just doing some good roll casting here. The great news is that below it, it just kind of rocks up around there, so the fish kind of just hold down in here, wait for bait fish to come flying down into here. Attention. Collin is getting one that's starting to hit the top of the water. It's like right there, like 5 feet from us, and every time he pulls on it, the fish will come up to the top and he just grabs it every time. That's good. Just pull it in, like flip it right here, and then as soon as it hits that water, start pulling it real easy. Doesn't have to go far, like 5 feet right there.
Here?
Just a little bit closer back to about right there.
Right here?
Yep, right there, and just start easing it back, kind of quick. Oh man, he was like following it the entire way. This afternoon bite is definitely happening right now. There it is. That's the one. Let it ease down in there and then start pulling on it. Sound like rolled on it like 3 or 4 times.
He's on it.
Yeah, he keeps hitting it. I don't know if the camera view will sit there and show him hitting it. But literally, he's just 5 feet from us. He's in this little bitty deep hole right here. Ooh, he just hit it again.
Here? Oh! He was on. I felt him.
Too far down. He's right here. If he's getting hit, all right, I'll start pulling. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, I could feel it.
That's the great thing about fly fishing, I think, is that you get more action, especially when it comes to top water like that. See if you can get him to hit the top again. They keep nailing it and nailing it. I mean, like every single time now they're hitting it. And it's hard to probably see. Collin's casting skills have definitely improved. All right, let's stay in the water for a little while. Okay. We've definitely had quite a few bites. Collin has had quite a few. I've had quite a few. They're just not running with it. I don't know if they're just not big enough or what the case is. We were really hoping to get on them here with the afternoon bite. It's just not working today. We are using our top water flies instead of the nymph. Guys, you wouldn't believe it, we were actually getting ready to call it for the night.
I caught my first fish on the fly pole.
All right, let me hold the fly pole and you open up your hand and see what we got. See if you can lift that bad boy.
No!
Oh!
Here you go.
Here you go. It looked like a bass, if I'm not mistaken. I feel very confident that that was a bass. We're right here at that afternoon bite where it counts.
You literally, when we were reeling it in, all of a sudden we hear boom.
Yeah, we were literally in the process of reeling it in, getting ready to call it, and it just took off.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget, we love comments, and subscribe because we're doing a giveaway. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna be randomly drawing a lucky winner, and we will be contacting you to know that you won.
That's right, guys. Thank y'all for coming out and watching us on this video. We had a lot of fun with it. As you can see, sun setting behind us. It's getting pretty late, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. If you like this video, definitely click subscribe, hit that like button. Definitely a lot of comments. We love comments, any kind you can give us. Thank y'all for coming along with us, and have a good rest of your night. Thank y'all.